Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy NFTs on the NFT Go app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the NFT Go app. You have to sign up, you have to connect one of your existing wallets, or you can create a wallet on the NFT Go marketplace. And to purchase NFTs here, you just have to tap on one of the NFTs that you find on the browse on the homepage, or you can search for specific NFTs in the search. And when you choose an NFT that you like to purchase it, you just have to tap on it, and this is the price. It is priced at 10 gems. And you can buy it by tapping on buy now if you have the available gems. As you can see on the top of the screen right now, I have 0 gems. So to get gems, so you be able to purchase NFTs, you just have to tap on the buy now for 10 gems, and you can get gems by tapping on the plus icon. And these are the prices for gems. Right now it's in Romanian RON because I'm in Romania. But yeah, it's for 40 gems, it's around $100 and 200 for 100 gems. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you can buy NFTs on the NFT Go app. Just buy gems and then use the gems to purchase NFTs. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.